Hi everyone, this is Tiffany, a programmer from Counterlimit. I'm here today to introduce you how to make use of PowerShell to export some common data service data to Excel. First of all, we need to download the SDK file first to ensure that we have the CLN command to use and it won't turn error after we run in PowerShell. And after download, you will see two zip files and you need to unzip them, and you can just move them to the destination you want in the computer. And here is the unzipped file. After that, we need to open the PowerShell windows. It's better run as admin. The PowerShell is by default has been installed in Windows, so we don't need to download it. We need to build a connection with our account. And a pop window will prompt you to input some account information such as the email and the password. And this kind of information is to tell you that the connection is success. Then we will have a look on this script. This script is combined by some for loop and the command, and we'll see what is the use of some command and function. And here you can see there is entity's name, and the entity is created before with fun name. Here is the contact list, and this command is to count how many records in the entities. For these entities, I remember it's 3. Yeah, there is 3 records in the entities, and if we enter the command, there will be 3, means there is 3 records in the entities. And this syntax is to turn the result, the input data in result is object, is to turn the things in result to object. If we don't do that, just with a string, then the output of the CSV file just have the length of the strings only, but not with the data that we want. Therefore, we need to turn the data into object in result and make use of a for loop. Why we need to make use of a for loop to run through every record is because we can have a look. There is each record have its own contact list ID. So we need to run through every ID and every record to get all the records and export it as a CSV file. And how can we ensure that the contact list ID is the ID that used in here? And we can see the field and look through the data type. The unique one, the unique identifier is the ID of each record. So this contact list ID is the ID for each record. like this. So we have a look on this command is get CRM record to get a record with the entity's name and the ID. The ID is changed with I think it's just +1 with the second character, because the ID is unchanged, remain the same. So here the ID, just have a look with C and this unchanged, and have changed the I. The I value is from 1 to 3. Here C1, C2, C3 is from 1 to 3 to look through every record. And here is some fields that we want to output. And it's the custom fields that I want to output. It's the name and the phone number and the title. And the result is accumulated record. Then finally, we need to output the result, the object, to the CSV. And this is the destination that we want to download it to. And the node type information depends on yourself. If you want the type information, you can just comment this node type information. So we will see what's the difference between have type information and no type information. Okay, we just have a look on this. This is the destination that I choose to download the files. And we'll run the script. Done. And here is the type information. Someone may not want this type of the information, so we can enable the no type information. And run more time. Okay, it takes a long time, but here is no type information anymore. After that, we open the Google Drive. And import it. We just open with the Google. And you will see there is different column with phone numbers and titles and some information of the record. It will generate Excel files. So that's all.